Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a very simple and delicious Tiffin Centre Chutney that you can make in just about 15 minutes. Do you guys ask for extra chutney when you go to hotels or restaurants? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, I for one am a big chutney fan and I always ask for that little extra. Let's get started and check out the recipe. I've already kept all the ingredients ready. First heat a pan and add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, add 1 cup of peanuts. Roast them on medium flame for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Once the peanuts are nicely roasted, add 1/4 cup of roasted gram. For spice, add 4 finely chopped green chilies. Even though the peanuts are already roasted lightly, roasting them again along with these ingredients enhances the crunch and brings out the rich flavor in the chutney. Next, add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Along with that, add 2 to 3 small pieces of tamarind and about 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves for a nice flavor. If you don't have mint leaves at home, don't worry about it. You can still make this chutney without it. Mint is optional, but it does add a refreshing touch. Turn off the stove and transfer the mixture to a plate. Allow it to cool completely before grinding. Once the mixture has cooled down, transfer it to a mixer jar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 5 small shallots. Now if you don't have shallots, you can just skip them, but avoid using the big onions as they will change the authentic Tiffin Centre taste. Add water little by little and grind the mixture. When the chutney is grounded to a nice coarse mixture, add a handful of fresh coriander leaves that have been cleaned well. Grind again, adding a little more water if required. Make sure not to grind it too smooth. The chutney should be slightly coarse. This texture gives the best flavor and a true hotel style taste. Transfer the ground chutney to a bowl. This is the correct consistency. Usually hotel chutneys are slightly thinner, so you can adjust the water according to preference and mix well. This chutney is perfect when guests or friends visit your home. The quantity is generous because we've used multiple ingredients, and this recipe can easily serve around 10 people. The consistency is perfect, thick yet creamy and very appetizing. So normally when you make chutneys, some of you might prefer it nice and thick. And of course, some of you might like it a little bit runny. Let me know what you prefer and how you'd like to enjoy your chutney in the comment section below. Now let's prepare the tempering. Heat a small pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 2 red chilies cut. Turn off the stove and immediately add fresh curry leaves and a pinch of asparagus. Mix well and pour this tempering directly over the chutney to give it a good mix. And there you go, super flavorful Tiffin Centre Chutney is ready. Today I'm going to enjoy this chutney with some nice hot steaming idlis. This chutney tastes amazing with idli, dosa, pongal, vada and even upma. This is a very simple yet unique chutney recipe that you must definitely try. The taste is different, rich and absolutely delicious. Try it once and it will surely become a regular on your breakfast table. I'm going to enjoy this Tiffin Centre chutney with some nice hot steaming spongy idlis. How about you guys? Would you like to try it with idlis or dosas? Let me know in the comment section while I enjoy this now. Wow, the flavors are just amazing. Such a simple chutney, and let me tell you, you really enjoy it with any tiffin, just not idlis or dosas. You don't want to miss on this, trust me. This chutney can be made in just about 10 to 15 minutes. It's that simple and very, very tasty. Now the portion I have made is good enough for about 8 to 9 people. But if you want to make for a smaller family, you can reduce the measurements and make it accordingly. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.